I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to check your transaction history on Movistar, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open a Movistar app. Launch the Movistar app on your smartphone. Make sure you relog in with your account credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Account section. Once logged in, find and tap on the Account or My Account section in the main menu. This is usually located at the bottom of the screen. Step 3. Select Transaction History. In the Account section, look for an option labeled Transaction History or Billing History. Tap on it to view your past transactions. Step 4. Filter transactions. You can often filter the transactions by date or type. Look for filter options at the top of the transaction list to narrow down your search. Step 5. Review your transactions. Scroll through the list to review your transactions. If you notice any discrepancies, take a screenshot for reference. Remember, if you can't find the transaction history, it might be hidden under a different menu name, so keep an eye out for variations. Happy checking!